Kiara. So where are we today? Do you want to tell everyone? Are you at Chinatown? So what are we going to do here today? Yeah, and we're going to show everyone what Chinatown looks like. Is that okay? So where should we go first to start exploring? We're going to go that way? Yeah? Okay. So let's walk around, let's have a look, and let's see what we can find around here with all the shops and stuff. See what's here. Go and have a look at the Chinatown bakery. Shall we see what's there? And perhaps we can find some pastries or... Oh, yeah, I think there's some nice desserts there. Shall we have a look at the menu? Let's have a look closer. Look at that. Can you see that, Kiara? Look what they're making. Look. Look what happens there. What are they doing? Oh. It's meant to make some little fishes, I think. I think it makes these little custard fishes over there. Can you see them? That is really good. Look what they have. What are this stuff here? Look at these rolls. Chocolate rolls. Chocolate Swiss rolls, aren't they? Yeah. And they've got chocolate milk tea up there, look, as well. Look at that. That's really cool. Kiara? Yeah. Wow. Oh, what is that? It's a Hello Kitty mini mooncake with white lotus and salted egg yolk. That it looks really nice. What one shall you... Look at that one. What is that? There's some nice, delicious food here. Which one do you want to get? Yeah. There's lots more stuff here. It's quite busy. Shall we go this way? Come on, get some, Kiara. You want to try some? Yeah? The lady will give us some. Look, I think they make it in that machine press there. They put custard in there, or the cream. And it makes it in there. Yeah. Could we... Thank you very much. Thank you. There you go. Shall we go outside and try it? Right, do you want to put it on here? Do you want to put it on here? I'm going to try. We'll see what it's like. That's it? Do you want me to have one? Thank you. Oh, it's really warm. Kill then. Do you want to tell us what it's like? Oh, what's in there?
I didn't get it yet.
Oh, is it oozing out of custard? And what does it taste like? Sweet? Do you think everyone should try it? No? Would you try it again? And they make it in that lovely bench press there. So we're at Newport Place now, okay? So I think we're gonna go and find a supermarket. Shall we go and have a look at a supermarket, see what they've got in there? If we could get anything in there. Let's see what we can find.
Okay.
Wow, look at that. Look at all the lanterns. What do you think of that? Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Yeah? I think we'll find a supermarket and we can have a look at see what's in there.
Can we get this? I want the supermarket.
Yeah, what do you want to get?
What they have.
Whatever they have. We'll have a little explore to see what they have. But there's a big queue here. What's this? Bun House. What do you think they have in here? Ew, look. What do you think's in there? Shall we have a look at what's here? Oh, look at that. There's custard bun. Look at them. We could try that if you want to. Do you want to try that?
So what do they do?
But do you want the veg bun or do you want the custard bun?
I don't know.
Which one should we try?
I'm gonna have the custard.
Which one would you like?
Actually, I don't feel like custard.
You don't want to? Okay, we can have it later on. We can carry on looking if you want to. Yeah? Siwoo. I think that's a big supermarket. We can go in there and we can have a look at what we can find in there. Do you think there'll be some loads of treats in there? There will be, won't there? And there's tea. We can have a look at the supermarket, see if we find anything nice. Shall we go in there? Do you want to go in there? Yeah? Okay, let's have a look. They've got lots of vegetables here, haven't they? Look. Look at them. Let's have a look at what else they've got in here. Shall we look for the snack section? Do you want to go and find the snack section? Shall I follow you? Okay. What's through here? Do you think there's some snacks? Yeah, there is some snacks here. What do you think they've got here? Got some noodles. Ramen. We've got quite a few bits here. Yeah, I'm following you then. You take me to where you want to go. See what they've got here. Oh, what's that? They've got some treats there as well, haven't they? What's that? It's a cookie. That's peach jelly, look. Peach. That one's, it says on the bottom there. What does it say? You did? Yeah. Good. Where else do you want to go? Oh wow, we had them before, didn't we?
Can we try it?
Do you want to try them again?
Yeah.
Okay, we can get one of them. I think Mummy would like that.
Yeah, I remember trying these.
You did? What else is there?
Green one. I think a green.
Uh-huh.
Look at this one.
Oh yeah. That's good as well. They've got some more snacks. Yeah, look, have a look.
Green animals.
Do you want to try the Oreos? Yeah, okay. Come on, let's go and get that. Oh, there's some crisps there as well. What are they?
This is the Chinese Sour Patch Kids. I'm guessing.
You're guessing?
Because I'm not seeing the Sour Patch Kids.
It doesn't say, does it?
No.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Because I think the Chinese Sour Patch Kids. Looks exactly like how they do.
Okay. What about over here? What are all this stuff around here?
Look at these snacks.
Which ones?
Look.
Wow.
Like these snacks.
Oh, there's loads of snacks there.
No, these are marshmallows.
I think they look jellies, aren't they? Yummy jellies. But there's marshmallows with like stuffing inside it. Look, it has things inside there, like jelly.
Yeah.
Different flavour. Mmm.
Yeah.
They do. Let's go over this way then. Is there more there? Let's have a look. Hmm?
Mango,
Oh, careful.
mango gummy.
Mhm.
There's a dango. Dango.
Mhm. Do you want to try that? Do
Hang this.
you want me to hang it back? Mhm.
I'm a dango one. I don't know what dango means.
Mhm.
Well, it's really sweet.
Oh, they look nice, don't they?
I think there might be more like things if we go this
Which way? Which way do you think there's more? Oh, what's down here? Oh, there's some meat there, isn't there? Oh, do you want to go there? Yeah, you can have a look. Just don't fall down the stairs. Mmm. Oh, look at that. Look at them crabs. Look at them giant crabs.
You can buy live.
You can buy it.
They're live. You're allowed to buy them.
Yeah, look, that's £55, that one. That's £30 a
Take a
kilo.
picture for mummy.
Shall I?
Yeah.
Do you think mummy will like that? Oh, there's some more on the top there as well, look.
Oh, will you take a picture?
Look at that. I will. That is big, isn't it? What do you like about Chinatown so far?
There's loads of things here. You can eat those things.
Mhm.
There's loads of things in the shop.
Yeah, what else is there?
Noodles.
Noodles.
Yeah, there may be noodles.
There's lots of noodle shops there, isn't there?
Some meat.
Yeah.
And one of the shops we went to is called Seafood.
Uh-huh.
All these live crabs.
Did you?
They're really big.
Well, they're really big live crabs. Did you
buy
want to
them.
take one?
No, I don't.
No? You could put it in your fish tank.
No way, it's gonna eat all the fishes.
Oh, do you reckon it will?
Yeah.
Okay, so which way shall we go now?
Let's go this
We can go that way?
kind of like the Grand Design Cat.
Is it like the Grand Bazaar in Turkey?
Yeah, but it's not indoor.
It's not, it's outdoors, isn't it? Okay. There's lots more shops this way. I think we can still continue walking and exploring. So, what did you see lots of so far in Chinatown?
Lots of shops.
And what type of shops were there?
Loads of shops. I don't know the names, I can't remember
Mhm.
because they're Chinese. But one of them is called Seafood.
Yeah, and see, it was a supermarket, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where we got the Oreos.
Yeah, we got,
It's just over there, isn't it? We just come out of it.
we got a different colour Oreo.
We did, didn't we?
Half of it wasn't pink and the other
Yeah. Are you looking forward to tasting them later on?
Yeah.
Trying them out?
Yes, at the end of the, like, when it's nearly at the end of the video,
Mhm.
we might try all of the things we want.
Okay. Good. All right, let's carry on then. Look, can you see them get made? Look. Look how they do it. They pour the stuff in there, look, and they get the fishes made. Yeah, that's quite cute, isn't it? Yeah, that's quite nice. Right, shall we get the ice cream? Do you want to try the ice cream? Yeah, shall we go inside then? Come on, shall we get some ice cream? Yeah? Look, the lady will make it for you. Oh, wow.
Everybody's coming to the shop for the ice cream.
Oh my god. Look at that. What do you say? Thank you. Come on then. Shall we go out? Look at that. That looks delicious, doesn't it? Lucky you. Shall we find a place to sit down and you can enjoy it? Yeah? Shall we go back that way over there? And do a left. Come on. Don't walk into anyone.